So this is the next demo of the Scott Sucks version 0.2. This is the main data screen. So right now you can hook up to 8 sensors to it, and also you can interface E85 sensor to it. I just did the typical GM style sensor. I'll show you how to configure it. You go to I/O configuration and then analog inputs. You have several analog inputs here. The first one is boost. I've got it enabled, and the fourth one's fuel pressure. You can see the scaling there. I've got a 3-bar GM boost sensor as well. So I just scaled it to the typical -15 plus 30. Fuel pressure sensor is 0 to 250. It's a I forget what fuel pressure sensor's in it, but they're both 0 to 5 volts. You can hook up to 8 of them, like I said earlier, and you can do custom scaling. Other configurations like the fuel pump control. You can do fuel pump control for up to 3 pumps. You can start and stop the pumps based on engine load. So instead of doing a hop switch, it would just read the engine load and start the second or third pump as you see fit. You can also enable it to use a hop switch as well, so it would start on load or hop switch, sort of give you a failover. And also the other feature is allow it to cycle which pump it's using as the primary pump. That way you're not always putting all the load on one pump in the fuel system. Back out of here. I did a nitrous controller. The nitrous controller, you can enable, disable per gear, and it does a window switch for RPM. Also, you have a wide open throttle enable for the nitrous system. And also I did a lambda safety. So the lambda safety will just disable nitrous unless you're below a certain lambda. For electronic boost control, I did a per gear boost control. So if you've got a turbo car or a supercharger car with a wastegate, you can command different boost levels per gear. And this is all done through a PID loop. PID settings are all adjustable right here. You got PI and D, and you can invert the operation depending on how the boost solenoid works. See what else. System setup, you can change screen brightness, time, all your gear ratios, and you can save settings. So once you've changed settings, you can come here to save settings. There's nothing in this logging section, but the logging is, it logs every sensor that's enabled. This is the live data screen I was showing you earlier. To enable logging, you just click this here. Once it's logging, you'll see the L at the top left. It'll be blinking to tell you that, hey, we're creating a log file. To change one of the parameters, so instead of spark, let's say you wanted to see, I don't know, short-term fuel trim there. Then you can just select which signal you want, and that screen will be updated with more and more signals as I add them. So I'll put spark here. Timing. And that's pretty much it.